Some people out there are eating undercooked eba, but they don't know it. So in this video, I'll show you how to get the best stretchy, fluffy eba. Not fluffy, fluffy eba. So you want to make yellow eba, but you don't have yellow gari. This is how you're going to go about it. Very easy and simple, and it tastes amazing as well. So I'll just put a little bit of palm oil in the water. That's even okay. All right. And wait for it to start simmering. I find that when I cook my eba on the heat, it gives this really nice silky texture. So I no longer do the one of pouring it into hot water. This brings out such a beautiful texture for your eba. Alright, so the water has gotten a bit warm and it's starting to simmer. I'll now go in with my gari. Straight up. Don't let that water boil at all. And then just start mixing it slowly. Apparently this is how my grandpa used to make eba, and that's how I learned it from my mother, and it is so beautiful. Can I have the yellow one? That one is finer. Make sure your heat is on the lowest while you do this. Thank you. So just fold it in, and if you're not satisfied with the yellowness of it, you can still add a bit more palm oil. I think this is good. I showed you long. I don't know if you can see that the texture is already like a bit, I don't know what to call it, but it gives like starch vibe if you cook it on the fire and not just pour curry inside the hot water. So I'll leave it this way, and then I'll pour some water into it just to help it simmer a little, and then just make sure the water goes like underneath and the swallow is floating on top of the water. I like my eba soft, so if you don't like it too soft, just control the water you're adding in there. Then I'll cover it, and now it boils and cooks through. So you can see how that looks. So I'll just stir it up. So this is how soft I like my own eba to be. If you don't like it this soft, then feel free to not add as much water as I added. Okay. And also when it gets cold, it will still get harder, so yeah. So there it is, yellow eba without yellow gari. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, please leave a comment. I want to hear from you. Have a good day.